And today we're going to be looking at another SAT math problem. And it's a question that gives you two functions and is asking which one has or which of them has a certain minimum value. And they give you two choices there, and you have to kind of see if it's one or the other or both or neither. So we're going to take a look at those right now. Let's get started. So let's take a look at this real quickly here for both. Right now we have 3 times a value of x. Now we don't know what that is, but basically whatever it may be, if it was 3 to the power of 0, basically that would just be 1. If it was 3 to the power of 1, well, that would be 3. If it was 3 to the power of 10, well, that would be a very, very large number. But basically, one thing they all have in common is they're all positive. No matter what, all of these are positive. Now, and that works for both. And even here, 6 to the power of x, no matter what x is, it's going to make it a positive number, and it will basically keep increasing in value. So whatever these are, then they're going to be multiplied by, in the first one, -6. So 3 to the power of 0 or 1 or 10, whatever it may be, it's going to be an increasing value, a positive value. But then when it's multiplied by negative, now it will just become an increasing negative value, or I guess in a sense, a decreasing negative value. It'll decrease in value without possibly stopping. So therefore, because it doesn't stop, it cannot have a minimum value at -3. So the first one will not have a minimum value at -3. And then for the second one as well, like I said, 6 to the power of x, no matter what x is, it's going to keep increasing this value here. But then when you multiply it by -3, it will keep decreasing in value. It will become a negative value without stopping. So for the second one as well, it will not have a value of -3. But I can hear some people asking, what about the -3 here or the -3 in the first function? But that only tells the graph where to shift towards. Basically, the -3 is saying whatever value is graphed, it's going to move down 3 values in the graphing. So in this case, the answer is D.